Hello, so today we are going to show you how to set up blog and monetize it. So let's get started.
Solve.com.
So, first of all, go to blogger.com and sign up. After sign up, you will see this type of window. Here, we have to set the title of our blog. And below that, we need to make custom address for our blog. Let me set it up. We will need to set available blog address, it will check. See, this one is not available, this means someone else has already made this address. We got it. Next step is selecting a theme for your blog. Let's try this one. Click on Create Blog button. You can search a domain for your blog. Let's skip this stage. So friends, we have successfully created our blog and this is the interface of Blogger control panel. Now, we are going to make a new post on our blog and we will see the features of blogger.com. Click here on New Post button. So, this is our new post editing menu. Let's give a title to it. Now we will write a post content. The first line of our content automatically becomes heading. Here we can change size of our font style, and can do much more editing. Just take a look at that. I am skipping that part. So, this is the post settings panel. Here we can add labels to our post, schedule post timing and much more. I am skipping that part too. We can add images and some hyperlinks to post. Just take a look at that. So our post is ready to publish. Click on Publish button. After clicking on Publish, we can share our post to our Google+ page. This windows will open automatically. So our post is published. Let's take a look, how good our post is. So friends, this is our first video of the Blogger series. In next video, we will see how to change themes of our blog, and how to change layout. Until next time, thanks for watching.